So, in honor of today being Friday the 13th, here's a cursed Apple fun fact. Now, we all know Apple never put a micro USB port on any iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch ever, right? Thank God. But, fun fact, there are actually two Apple products that had a micro USB port on the back. And those are the Apple TV second generation and the Apple TV third generation. So, these two specific models of Apple TV had four ports on the back. They had a power port, Ethernet, HDMI, and the micro USB port. And you're probably wondering, if it already had ports for power and display and internet, why would it need a micro USB port? And that's where things get interesting, because if your Apple TV had corrupted software, or if you just needed to plug it into a computer for diagnostics or repair, that's the port you would have to use. That the other ports couldn't do that. So that's the port Apple decided to put on the back for some reason. Um, if you needed to do anything with your Apple TV, you would plug it into your computer using an micro USB cable, and you would access it via iTunes, and you could reinstall the software or update it or whatever you needed to do. The next Apple TV, the Apple TV fourth generation, or just mostly known as the Apple TV HD, that one had a USB-C port on the back, and it's actually one of the first Apple products to ever have a USB-C port, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, random fun fact.